Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rig. Today Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra unboxing. This device one of the main highlight. This device support 120x digital zoom. Okay, everything review in video inside. First look the box. Box very shiny and box backside some information here. 12 GB RAM, 256 GB of the internal storage. Yeah, it's a base model. It's really cool guys. What about you think guys? Now I don't know this device price but expected price on $800 something. Yeah, it's really worth. Okay, first remove the plastic wrapper, then look box inside content. Okay, let's open the box first. Okay, I am very jealous. Okay, inside the box front side, one length paper sheet here. Paper sheet front side, Xiaomi 10th anniversary special some kind of informations and greetings. I don't know Chinese. Okay, put the length sheet side. See guys, phone is really amazing. On front side is 2020 Xiaomi 10th anniversary. Some sticker here. Put the phone side. Later look deep. Okay, then put the hardboard and side. One more small hardboard paper sheet here. Front side SIM checking tool. Back side nothing. More free case. Transparent case. It is not plain case. It is matte finished case. Transparent matte finished case. It's looking good. Hard case, not light case. More dongle. Type C to 3.5mm dongle. More on some information booklet. Also SAR values mentioned. Yeah, it's cool. Guys, oh my god. See guys, 120 watts fast charging adapter. Oh my god. This device support 120 watts fast charging. Also Xiaomi give you 120 watts adapter. It's really amazing. Guys, how I'm explaining my feeling, but it's really amazing. Xiaomi give you box inside 120 watts fast charging adapter, more Type C cable to Type C to USB cable inside red as and here. Quality is good, not bad. Okay, I really love this device because Xiaomi's 10th anniversary special edition Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. This device support 120x digital zoom, 120 watts fast charging. Also Xiaomi give you 120 watts fast charging adapter in box inside. Oh my god. It's really good, but now I don't know this device price, but expected price $1,000. Really I don't know now the correct price, but I know to put the price in comment section. What about you think guys? First you tell me what's your opinion. Okay, let's go back the video. Okay, phone is looking really good. First remove the plastic wrapper, then look phone overview. Wow, phone lightly thick. Yeah, it's phone lightly thick, but it is not heavy feeling. It's good. This camera module look like same Oppo Find X2 Pro. Yeah. Okay. First remove the some barcode stickers. Ooh. In and feeling really good because phone four corners is very curved finishing. So just hold the phone in hand. It's perfectly fit. I really love it. Phone back made in glass and phone backside quad camera setups here. Main camera 108 megapixel, secondary ultra wide and 120 megapixel depth sensor. This device one of the main highlight 120x digital zoom. Yeah, it is periscope camera with support 120x digital zoom. Phone right side power button and volume maker keys, top side IR blaster and secondary national mic. It is overview. Okay, first finish the phone setup, then look phone full overview. First look the phone display. Display come with 6.67 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with curved finishing. This device comes with AMOLED display, so support under display fingerprint scanner. Setup speed is quite good and unlock speed is good. It's not bad. Refresh rate. This device supports 60 Hz or 120 Hz. Which one you prefer to you use? My personal opinion, 120 Hz is much fluid and much smooth. You got best experience. But battery is a little bit fastly drained, but you went best experience. 120 Hz is much better. Hardware and software. This device running on Android 10 based in MIUI 12. Base model 12 GB RAM, 256 GB of the internal storage. Processor. This device comes with Snapdragon 865 Plus. It is new, powerful flagship processor. Nowadays it's run really good and best performance for gaming, day-to-day usage, everything. You need in-depth gaming review, PUBG, Call of Duty, Aspect 9 gaming review soon. Let's Okay, just I'm show 120x sample. It is not the retail unit, it's review unit. Okay, just I'm show on 120x. Oh, its quality is not good, but it is just review unit, so quality is looking something different because Xiaomi give 2 to 3 days later one in-depth update. Everything fixed soon. Okay, this is the device. My first impression on 5-day usage experience. It's really good.